What if tonight you looked up and instead of the moon, you saw Saturn filling the sky? It sounds beautiful, almost unreal. In this video, we'll explore what that would actually look like, how it could affect Earth, and why this idea is both fascinating and a little unsettling. 1. First look at Saturn in our sky. Let's imagine it clearly. Right now, the moon looks small and distant, but Saturn is much larger, around 9 times wider than Earth. If Saturn replaced the moon at the same distance, it would appear enormous. It wouldn't just be a bright circle. You would clearly see its rings stretching across the sky. Some estimates suggest it could look dozens of times bigger than the moon. Nights would feel very different. The sky would never look empty again. 2. The beauty and the problem. At first, it may seem like a dream, a giant planet, visible all the time, with rings glowing softly in the night. But here's the issue. Saturn is not just big, it's extremely massive. Even though it's made mostly of gas, its gravity is still very strong, and bringing something that massive close to Earth would change everything. 3. Gravity changes everything. The moon already affects Earth in powerful ways. It controls tides, it stabilizes Earth's tilt, it even influences long-term climate patterns. Now imagine replacing it with something much larger. The gravitational pull would increase dramatically. Ocean tides could become extreme. Instead of gentle rises and falls, we might see massive, dangerous tidal shifts. Coastal areas could face constant flooding. Even the ground beneath us could feel stress from the stronger pull. 4. What happens to Earth's stability? The moon helps keep Earth stable as it spins. Without it, Earth's tilt could wobble more over time. If Saturn replaced the moon, things wouldn't just stay the same but bigger. The balance could be disrupted. Earth's seasons might become less predictable. Climate patterns could shift in ways that are hard to control. So while Saturn may look calm and beautiful, its presence could create instability. 5. The rings up close. Now let's talk about the rings. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. From Earth, they would look stunning, wide, bright, and detailed. But if Saturn were this close, those rings might not stay stable. Earth's gravity could interact with them. Some particles might drift closer to Earth. Over time, this could increase the chance of debris entering our atmosphere. Not necessarily constant danger, but definitely something to consider. 6. Light and night changes. Nights would no longer be truly dark. Saturn reflects sunlight, just like the moon, but its size means much more reflected light. Some nights might feel like permanent twilight. This could affect sleep patterns, animal behavior, and even ecosystems. Many species depend on natural light cycles. Changing that may have long-term effects. 7. A simple comparison. Think of it like this. The moon is like a small, steady companion, quietly shaping Earth over time. Saturn, on the other hand, is more like a giant neighbor moving in too close. It may look amazing, but its presence changes the entire environment. Now imagine this for a second. Would you enjoy seeing Saturn every night? Or would it feel a bit overwhelming after a while? And do you think beauty alone is enough if it comes with big risks? It's an interesting trade-off to think about. The bigger lesson. This idea shows something important. In space, size and distance matter a lot. Even something beautiful can become dangerous if it's too close. The balance we have right now with the moon is not random. It's part of what makes life on Earth stable. Conclusion. So what if Saturn replaced our moon? The sky would look incredible, but the effects on Earth could be serious. Stronger tides, possible instability, changes to light and life. Sometimes what looks perfect from far away may not work up close. If you enjoyed this kind of space scenario, you can like the video or subscribe for more. And if you're curious, the next video explores what would happen if Earth had 2 moons instead of 1.